And the race is on sa totoo lang. Fast to be in rival guts. Down on the inside is Lucky Touch by the rallies bagong silang. Double the charm is racing in fifth from the outside. Queen Alicia, Fair Heaven, Good Humor. Show Master sneaking down on the inside. South Pearl, 7-8 Treasure Hunter. And Speedy Maki is the early trailer. Rounding the far turn, Lucky Touch by Alencan Hapal by Bagong Silang. Sa totoo lang, is racing in third from the outside, double the charm. Down on the inside, River Gulch Fair Heaven Show Master. As they race the last 450, Lucky Touch by Alencan Bagong Silang. Down on the inside, sa totoo lang, is racing in third by Sang Tuleng. Then here comes River Gulch, 7-8 Treasure Hunters from the outside of Fair Heaven. And nearing the finish line, Bagong Silang is running by the 7-8 Treasure Hunters on the outside. Sa totoo lang, and nearing the finish line is going to be 7-8 Treasure Hunter. Fair Heaven, Bagong Silang, sa totoo lang, Lucky Touch and River Gulch, I think, for your super size.